Saurabh, is there any indication of what exactly is happening there? Is Mamta sort of closeted with her close aides, analyzing the results as they come in?
Absolutely, and a keen eye is being kept on the Nondigram results. But as Monideepa was explaining, there is these blocks, Nondigram 1 and Nondigram 2, and the current leads seem to be coming in for Shubhendu Adhikari from the areas where he has a stronghold in. And what Trinamool sources are saying at this point is that, yes, while Shubhendu Adhikari has a lead, like Monideepa was explaining, that there are a lot of other places that remain to be counted. These are only leads at this point. But the Trinamool at this point seems to be okay with the trends. They say if these trends continue, then we seem to be comfortably through. But like Vasu, you've been saying, when you have an opposition party like the BJP, that cushion is so important. And that's the cushion that they want to keep. Already, like you were talking about other states where, MLAs have been flown off. In Bengal, we've seen the flight of MLAs from Trinamool pre-election. But at this point, Trinamool sources are saying at this point they're not worried. Mamta Banerjee is at her residence, watching the results very keenly, closely, especially Nondigram. Remember, she hasn't contested a safe seat. And, so we were putting these questions to whoever we could. And we said, what if Shubhendu Adhikari continues the lead? So jokingly, they said, don't forget the Khorda seat. But the tragic part is, of course, tragic part is that candidates have lost their lives. Candidates have lost their lives. Candidates post-election have lost their lives. Candidates during this election have lost their lives. We've had an election, and that's something that the Trinamool is saying again and again, that we requested the Election Commission to club phases. Of course, both parties have been responsible for super spreader events. But the Trinamool saying that, look, we asked the Election Commission to club results. They didn't do anything. We are fighting. We are taking on an enemy like the BJP.
Yeah.
If there is no sort of this, instructions from the umpire, then there's very little that we can do except fight back. So elections in the middle of the pandemic is perhaps the tragedy that we will have to bear, for a long time to come. Because West Bengal, as we've been reporting, is already recording a spike in cases.
No, absolutely, and has lost candidates as well. All right, let's move from battleground West Bengal to battleground Tamil Nadu, and let's just pull up on the screen for you the latest numbers that are coming in from Tamil Nadu, where at the moment we're looking at the DMK and its allies at 114 out of 209 leads. 114, they're actually up 25, and the ADMK BJP PMK alliance is 92, down 28 from last time. The AMMK of Mr. Dinakaran has opened its account with 1 lead so far, and the MNM of Kamal Hassan, the torch symbol, is also at 1, which is most likely Mr. Kamal Hassan's own seat of Coimbatore South that we're seeing at the moment. So it does appear, N. Ram is with us, as is political analyst, BJP supporter PKD Nambiar, that Mr. Ram, that Stalin seems to be now inching a little closer towards realizing his destiny of finally becoming chief minister, because you've now got roughly 40% of round leads. It's the highest number of any state that you have the most number of round leads, Mr. Ram. And the DMK is leading in 60, 59 actually, 59, 60, and the ADMK only in 30 at the moment.
Yes, I think the DMK is pulling away, and I think you'll see this gap probably widen as we go on, as more votes are counted from your own split. And also looking at some of the other channels. Of course, I rely more on your data because you have more, you're ahead. But that also suggests that the DMK is pulling away now.
Right. And if you actually see the breakup of the alliance, the Congress is at 11. So they are leading in 11. That's a gain of 4. So the Congress not doing too badly either. This is somewhat reflecting what happened in the Lok Sabha, where the DMK Congress, the UP, actually swept Tamil Nadu. and that was one of the few states where the Congress was actually pulling its weight and not dragging its alliance partner down. And so the Congress is at 11. The VCK, which is the party of Mr. Tirumavalavan, the Dalit party, they're leading in 3. CPI and CPM, a lead of 1 each. These are all gains for them from 2016. Sam Daniel is with us. Sam Daniel, are you also getting the sense, are you speaking to people in both camps, and what's the sense that you're getting? Is there a feeling that now finally this is inching closer towards Stalin's moment?
The DMK in that sense is quite upbeat, Vasu, but they are still not very happy about the narrow gap they see in their own words, and they hope that as numbers progress, as rounds progress, they'll be able to widen that gap. But they were expecting around 180 plus, but the trend that appears now, they say we'll have to wait and watch. But the AIADMK is certainly happy, and some talk in terms of, if at all, they have to stay in the opposition. Some sources in the AIADMK say this could be a repeat of the 2016 results, both switching sides, how the DMK had emerged quite strong with 98 votes, 98 seats in 2016. The AIADMK hopes it will be able to emerge as a strong opposition party in the worst case scenario, but both say now it's too early. But if this trend continues, if the AIADMK is able to make good wins, considerable wins, then it will be interesting to watch whether their allies are also able to open accounts in terms of winning seats. Like the BJP, will they be able to make a debut in Tamil Nadu Assembly? The PMK, which has been out of power, out of the Assembly for a long time, how many seats will it be able to win? And also new players like Kamal Hassan and TTB Dinakaran, who switched from RK Nagar to Kovilpatti this time.
Yeah.
But certainly it's not the way the exit polls and the opinion polls had projected,
right.
But both sides at the moment say they're quite
right.
happy. But
yeah, it doesn't look like a DMK landslide at the moment. Those are actually pictures of Kamal Hassan that you just saw a second ago.